With their delicious flavor and numerous health benefits, mussels have become an increasingly popular choice for seafood lovers. Mussel harvesting is an intricate process of nature and technology, a process that brings the bounty of the ocean. At the heart of this operation is the rope culture method, a sustainable and efficient way to cultivate mussels. It all begins with seeds placed inside a special sock made from a material called GDI. These socks, suspended on ropes, are gently lowered into the sea, where the mussels grow until they reach maturity. When the time is right, the mussel socks are carefully lifted from the water and the ropes are cut. The socks are then sent to a threshing machine, which separates the mussels from the socks with precision. The freshly harvested mussels are placed in containers, waiting for their journey to continue, while the socks are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for a new batch of mussel seeds. In this cycle, socks are filled, knotted, and returned to the sea, repeating the dance of growth and harvest. But the real work begins after the harvest. As the mussels are cleaned and prepared for market, the ocean leaves its mark on these creatures, covering them with debris and dirt. Therefore, the mussels undergo an extensive cleaning process, ensuring they are pristine and ready for consumption. On board the harvesting boats, conveyor systems play a crucial role in handling the immense volumes of mussels. These conveyors transport mussels through various stages of processing, ensuring that each mussel is cleaned and sorted with precision. Debris and unwanted materials are swiftly removed, thanks to a combination of manual and automated sorting systems. The conveyor's continuous flow minimizes manual labor and reduces physical strain on workers, enhancing productivity and maintaining high-quality standards. Harvested mussels are placed in containers, where they are purified and desanded, ensuring they are healthy and safe for consumption. Various machines are used to wash the mussels in large quantities. Rotary drum washers with internal spray nozzles tumble and clean the mussels, while high-pressure washers use powerful jets to remove dirt. Specialized machines like brush washers and flume wash systems provide a thorough scrubbing, while hydrocyclone systems use centrifugal force to separate contaminants. Ultrasonic cleaners, though less common, offer another layer of cleaning by using sound waves to dislodge dirt. Despite the advanced machinery, human inspectors remain essential to the process. They carefully examine the mussels for size, shell integrity, and overall quality. At well-lit inspection stations, inspectors ensure only the finest mussels make it to the packaging stage. Mussels that don't meet the standards are promptly removed, guaranteeing a premium product for consumers. Once the mussels pass inspection, they are weighed and packed into various containers, such as mesh bags or vacuum-sealed packs. Some are submerged in water to maintain freshness, while others are packaged with a brine solution to extend shelf life. For markets demanding shucked mussels, the process involves steaming the mussels open, extracting the meat, and packaging it in vacuum-sealed containers. Facilities employing automatic machinery rely on precision equipment to streamline this process. Weighing and filling machines ensure uniform quantities of mussels are packed with accuracy. In some places, manual packaging remains the norm, with workers skillfully weighing, filling, and sealing the mussels using heat sealers. Whether steamed, grilled, or part of a flavorful seafood stew, mussels offer a savory taste that captivates palates. They showcase the excellence of sustainable aquaculture practices and the rich bounty of our oceans.